What's going on, guys? This is Yaz with Unreal Creative. In this video, I will be talking about how to add a new linear story to the project here. So let me go ahead and hit play real quick so you guys know what I have so far. I've taken the time real quick to change the other one that we were working with, the other linear story, and I added a new one real quick here. So as you can see here, it says, hello there, my name is Lola. Hello Lola, my name is Wendy. And as soon as that's done, it basically goes away. That's all the lines I added, and that's just the story that I wanted to tell. So let me show you guys how I did that real quick. And again, this is for the linear story. So the first thing we want to do is we want to create another data table that is of type dialogue game story structure. So how we're going to do that is we're going to go under here. We're going to go to miscellaneous. And we're going to create a data table. Again, it has to be the dialogue game story structure type. So dialogue game story structure. So after you're done that, there you go. And we can name this YouTube test. All right, so we got a YouTube test here. We're going to double click on that, open that up, and we're going to add our first line here. First thing we want to do, and this is very important, is we want to give this a row name. I like to name my stuff, my row names, according to the index they're in, just to keep things organized. So 1 would be 1. If you were to add more lines, just keep it consistent. 2, 2, 3, 3, and so on. So I'm gonna go back to my first one here. And under storylines, I'm going to click on this little plus add element here. And this is where you would add all of the lines that, that you want to tell, like the story that you want to tell. So let's just do an example here. Line 1. Now let's be a little more creative than that. Okay. Hello there, YouTube. Hello there, YouTube. There we go. And let's assign a picture to this line, and this would be the person that actually is talking to you, the NPC, the picture of the NPC. So I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna just steal this picture here. Just maybe this one, and I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to add another line. Hello there, smiley face. And maybe this is the player talking, right? And then the speaker names, that is the name that shows up on top of the dialogue, which is very important if you want to know who's talking. So maybe the first one can be called Miss A, I don't know. And then the second one is the player, just like that. I'm gonna save that. Okay, so this is basically it. We're gonna go back to our NPC Lola, and we need to change the starting index to start at 0. Our ending, okay, and then this starting index is saying that your storylines here this is index 0, right? So it starts at 0, then it goes to 1, and then if you have more lines, it would continue to add more indexes. So I have it at 0 and it ends at 1. So that's what I have to reflect on here. So it's starting at 0, ending at 1. And then the row name, as I already established, is this one right here, established row name. And then we're working with row name 1, so we would make sure that we have that at 1. If we were working with another one, we would just make sure that it says 2 or 3 or whatever. Okay, the other thing you need to do is come over here to the RPG DialogueForge component. This one, the data table. Okay, and then where it says level lines, I'm just gonna put the YouTube test that we just created. Compile, save, and that's it. And as soon as we hit play, we should be able to talk to this person here. And again, says the name up top, Miss A, and then it says the message, hello there YouTube. Press spacebar to continue, and then player, hello there, smiley face. And if you press one more time, it finishes the conversation. And that is how easy it is to create your lines for your video game. Alright guys, I will continue the videos on the next one. Thank you.